Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about Social Studies, Class 3, Lesson 10, Road Safety, and it's on page number 35. Now open your book, page number 35, Road Safety. We already read about this lesson. Traffic is always on the move. Roads are very busy in the morning when people go to work, and in the evening when people go home. We already read about rules of pedestrians, and rules of pedestrians are, here we have given some rules. Always cross the road at a zebra crossing. Before crossing a road, first look right, then look left, look right again, and then cross the road. And the third one is, never play on a road or near a road. Pedestrians. Who are pedestrians? People who walk along a footpath are pedestrians. Okay. Now move on, page number 36. Here you have given some questions. And the question number 1 is, what are the rules for crossing a busy road? The first rule is, always cross the road at a zebra crossing. The second rule is, before crossing a road, first look right, then look left, and then cross a road. The question number 2 is, why do you think it is not a good idea to be noisy or to talk to the driver when you are traveling in a car or bus? Why? Why do you think it is not good? Yes, it is not good because his attentions may be diverted. The question number 3 is, why are traffic rules important? The answer of this question is, traffic rules are important because they protect our lives. So, please must follow traffic rules. And the last question is question number 4. Where are the traffic rules given? Where are the traffic rules given? The answer of this question is, traffic rules are given in a book called The Highway Code. Okay, now we have completed this lesson. Hope so you have enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.